Hello, we are the team number 8, and we present the team of Design Methods 1. And in this presentation, the first topic is algorithmics. In this set of order and finite instructions that allow carrying out an activity through successive steps that not generate the dots, giving an initial state and an entry. Following the successive steps, some final state is reached and solution is obtained. The algorithms are the steps to follow. The next part is flowchart. In the flowchart is an activity diagram that represents the step-by-step business and operational workflows of the components in a system. An activity diagram shows the general control the flow. For methodical approach to software design is proposed by structured methods, which are sets of notations for software design. The two rows of this method is programs were to be broken into functions of subroutines. There was only a single entry point for any function of a routine.
To design software, we have methods for the creation process and the structuring process. An example of a method for the creation is the waterfall. The first stage of this method is analysis, and this is involves the determination of the exact requirements of the system. The next step is design, and this phase is intended toward addressing how the system is implemented. The next is implementation, and this phase is traditionally described as programming. The next step is testing, and this aims to trap the bugs of the code. The next is deployment. Used is deriving what the system should do. We are saying how this is to be archived. The final stage is the maintained, and this keeps the system updated for new changes that need to be implemented. We have four already design methods. The first is the data flow. The second is entity relationship. The third is structural model. And the final structural method is the object oriented.
Okay, the first part of the design method is to make our flow chart, which we will to know if a number is 7 or odd. The first part even or odd, and we declare the variables a, b, c, even and odd. This part. Next, we enter the data. Enter the data A, B, and C. We make the division with number 2 of each of the data. And this part A and B and C. And if there is a remainder, we have a odd number, and if there is no, we get an even number. According to this, is added to the variable of even or odd depending of the result of the condition. The condition you have yes or no, and is add of odd or even. You add number one, and with this and the flowchart.
The first stage of the code is the include libraries. This library EOStream is for the text in the display. In this part, they created the variables. The variables A, B, C is for we add numbers that's enter, and variable pair is for number pairs, and variable odds is for the number odds. The main is the principal area for the code. The first part of the main is this, and this we just enter the numbers in the variable A, B, and C. The second part is the compare, and here compare the variable A, B, and C with the number 2. If this comparison has tuples, so the number is pair, and not, the number is odd. And the final part is this, and this is the output of the code, is the result of the number pair and not. And now compute and run here. And now enter the numbers. We have one pair numbers and two odd number. The pair number is the number 4, and the other two odd numbers is the 7 and 5.